Welcome back to Cooking Gluten and Dairy Free with Dave D. Today we're giving our air fryer and deep fryer a break, but still keeping it crispy with some crispy oven baked wings. These wings are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This is also the easiest recipe on the channel, as you can tell by the short runtime of the video. Crispy oven baked wings. Let's get down to business. Alright, so first things first, let's preheat our oven to 425. Grab some party wings, clean them, and pat them dry with some paper towel, which will help them get crispy in the oven. When they're dry, add some avocado oil. And now we add our seasonings. Add some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dry thyme, oregano, paprika, Badia complete seasoning, or whatever poultry seasoning you have, and then mix all those seasonings in, making sure to press them into the wings. Now is the perfect time to mention that the exact list of ingredients with measurements are down in the description box below, as well as that like button to show some love. Also, hit the subscribe button so you can continue to get these delicious gluten and dairy-free recipes. When you're done, the chicken should look a little something like this. Now grab a baking dish and add a generous amount of high smoke point oil. I'm using avocado oil, but feel free to use canola or vegetable oil. Avoid using olive oil since it's a low smoke point oil. Once the bottom of the pan is fully oiled, add your chicken wings, making sure to leave a decent amount of space around them. Now, simply pop them into the oven for about 50 minutes or until they get that internal temperature of 175. And there you have it, folks, the quickest video in Cooking with Dave D history, because this is the easiest recipe in Cooking with Dave D history. These wings are delicious and save us a few calories by not using our deep fryer. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're about 40 subscribers away from 500 subscribers and more consistent videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.